magtiwala sa mga sabi-sabi. Pero, totoo po, may anghel sa lupa. Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that always be happy and always wear a smile. Not because life is full of reason to smile, but because your smile itself is the reason for others to smile. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 16-year-old stunner, and I am half Filipina and half Filipino. Joke lamang po. My name is Miss Ashiana Vera, all the way from Santa Ana, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am your It's Showtime, Miss Q&A Season 3, Queen of the Multibex, first runner-up. Bakit di nyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining Karen Montecillo, na nag-iiwan ng mga katagang kung ang perlas ng silanganan ay matatagpuan sa karagatan, ang tunay na kagandahan naman ay makikita sa inyong harapan. Judges, I am your candidate number 10. Mark my number, because I would give you the best show and the night to remember. Thank you.